So remember that smart electric guitar video I just did? Yeah, they want to give one of those away to you. And by the way, that guitar is a fantastic gift for any beginner guitar player, or even if you've been playing guitar for years. It is such a good guitar. All you have to do is go to that video, and I'll put the link down in the description, and just write a comment on that video telling me your favorite feature of that guitar. And then on Mr. Black Friday, the live stream, I will pick one of those comments at random and you'll be the winner. Plus, the company Ulanzi wants to do a giveaway of a bunch of different gift cards so that you can have like a voucher to their store. And they have some amazing products that you can check out right now, and even have some really good pre-Black Friday sales going on right now. So make sure you check out that. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. I'll put even how to do it. I'll lay it out down there. So go into the description or the more info side of this video here, and you can see all the details. Scotty Makes Stuff also wants to give out some gift vouchers. They have some great cases and accessories for your drones or the Pocket 3, and I've done videos on that. Reolink also wants to give away one of their awesome 4K solar-powered security cameras. Even the company Rode is going to give away something on the stream. Plus, there's even some more companies that are going to be jumping on to do giveaways. And same, go down in the description. You can find out how to enter. All you have to do is go to that video that I'll put the link for, and you just have to leave a comment. We're just picking random comments here. I'll also do a mystery box giveaway. That's where I'll pick a bunch of different accessories and just put them into this box, a lot of gadgets and gear, and I'll actually give that away to one of you that's watching live. And also, for all those other giveaways, you have to be watching the live stream to claim your prize if I pick your name, unless you are a member of the channel. So if you want to become a member of the channel, which is only $1 a month, I mean, you could sign up right now and then leave later, but there's a lot of value there. We do weekly live streams where I kind of give you insights to different things, Q&As, give some channel advice, also some special exclusive deals on products, and I do those mystery box giveaways more often on there. But also, being a member means that you don't have to be watching live if I pick your name. That is one of the big perks. So check that out. Again, links down in the description on how to do that, or just click the join button if you're on your browser. So overall, it's gonna be a fun stream. We're gonna have some great guests pop in. We're gonna talk about different things and have some fun, play some games, and it's just gonna be a great time. So mark your calendar. That is gonna be November 29th. That's Black Friday night. For my Australian fans out there, that's gonna be November 30th on Saturday, like midday. And again, it's gonna be a lot of fun, so check out the description for more details, and I'll be posting a little bit more about it so that you don't forget. Also, for those members out there, I'm actually gonna be going live soon for you to talk about where I'm at right now, because I'm in a really cool location, and look at the colors of these leaves. It's amazing. So I'll see you guys in a second, but for everyone else, I'll see you guys on the Mr. Black Friday.